The heart speaks. When the heart speaks, we listen.
Is coffee good or bad for your heart?
Magandang tanong yan, no, Donnie. Kasi marami po sa atin na talagang mahilig uminom ng kape. Hindi rin natin maiwasan dahil tayo'y nahihilig dyan. Minsan, naaabuso. So, syempre, gusto din natin malaman, tayo ba ay tama lang yung ating naiinom o hindi? O nasusobrahan ba tayo? So, ang unang myth o gusto natin patunayan na tanong is, masama ba sa puso ang kape?
Ayan.
Okay. It's a myth.
Okay.
Moderate consumption is healthy for your heart. Now, pag sinabi nating moderate consumption, syempre depende ho yan sa pangangatawan.
Okay.
Kasi kung pag-uusapan natin tayong mga Asians, medyo relatively maliliit tayo compared sa mga Caucasians. So, sabi nila, so according to data from Caucasians is 3 to 5 cups a day.
3 to 5 cups?
Yes.
Okay.
This is for the Caucasians. Now, kung milligrams po yan, not exceeding 400 milligrams.
Okay.
But, syempre, we have to factor in yung pangangatawan natin, build natin. And again, let me highlight yung individual differences. Kasi may kanya-kanya tayong tolerance, may kanya-kanya tayong effect yung kape sa bawat isa sa atin. So, among Asians, average is 2 to 3 cups.
2 to 3 cups?
Yes.
Pet, linawin lang natin. So, is this equivalent to 1 cup?
Based sa pag-aaral, yes. So, measurements na ginamit nila, 8 ounces.
8
Pag
ounces.
sinabi nilang
Okay.
1 cup is 8 ounces.